Hello my love. So it's been a while since I have vlogged. It's been way too long. I will vlog today. I actually vlogged for this whole week because I haven't been doing vlogs for a while. So I will vlog. Today is Sunday. I don't know the time. Let me tell you the time. Right, it's 20 to 10 and I am working today. It feels weird saying that I'm working because I've actually never really worked. I've actually done more like volunteer work, so I'm not really like work. So it feels weird to say that I'm working today, but I am. Throughout this week I have a lot of things planned, so I will vlog that and get more into it. So I'll take you guys along with me. So I'll probably see you tomorrow. Hello and good morning again, guys. Today is Monday. Welcome to my vlog on Monday. It's the 25th and it's 10 past 10. It's essentially a chill day, so I'm taking mommy to work. So it's take mommy to work day. Well, not really. Yeah, so where I work, there's like a it's a very naturistic place. It's a very gorgeous and beautiful, and I love nature. Mommy loves nature too. She loves birds. So I'm taking her today. We're gonna have a little picnic and it's really a chill day. We don't allow videotape in there, so I made a videotape, but I'll take pictures and you guys get to come along with us, see some pictures. So yeah, that's about it that I have planned for today. I have one errand. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get to do that today, but yeah, that's about it. So it's Tuesday and it's like minutes to 11. I'm just waiting on some stuff right now. It's essentially an errand day. I have to go to San Fernando to do some stuff. I have to go to the bank, go collect some stuff, and somewhere else I have to go. So I guess at the moment, yesterday didn't get to do any other errands besides that. So yeah, that's pretty much about it.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
It is 1:05. So it's the next day, of course. It is a Wednesday, the 27th, and yesterday was so hectic. I'm packed up and waiting for a friend right now. Yesterday I didn't get time to vlog because it was just real hectic. We came back late in the evening because San Fernando took up really long. When you have to do banking stuff, it takes up really long. That's almost ridiculously annoying. But anyway, as soon as I reached home, I literally just had to bathe and get ready, come by this friend's house. And I was supposed to leave this morning. That didn't work out, and currently I have a little spontaneous get together with another friend. We are going to have a coffee date. So that's that, and then after this little chill time, I have to pick up mom to bring her back by this friend, and that's about how it's gonna go. So it's just like a lot of driving today because it's such a spontaneous coffee date. I didn't plan for anything, so I'm literally not wearing my clothes right now, but it's totally fine. It doesn't look that bad considering whose clothes I'm wearing, but it doesn't look bad. But yeah, I'll catch you back up. And oh, what is the time right now? It is, yeah, it's after 1. So yeah, that's basically how today is gonna run. Hello guys, I decided I didn't vlog today, so is Thursday the 26th, it's like 25 to 7 in the night, it's like literally Good evening, people. I got up this morning feeling like real. If you sick, I was feeling like real horrible. My head was hurting because I was originally supposed to work today, but I wasn't feeling so right, so I couldn't do that. And the rest of the day was pretty much chill. I did get to do some laundry today, so glad about that. And that's basically how today went. It was just like real, very relaxing, and I am feeling much better right now, which is good. So yeah. Good evening, my loves. How are you? This fine evening. It is Friday, the 29th, I believe. It's like minutes to 5 or a little bit after 5. I've just reached home. I had a work day. It was good. It was good. I feel like I should have done a little bit more, but it was good. The rest of today, sorry, I'm going to try to do a little bit of cleaning. Gonna organize some stuff. So that's basically about it. So I currently have amazing food right now, and it's dal and rice and curry shrimp. Yes, look at yummy. Very delicious food right now. Let me just use this time to say I am so sorry. It's Sunday today. It is Sunday, the 1st of July. Welcome to July. I hope it's very productive and constructive for you and for me as well. I had work today. Yesterday I didn't vlog. I had work yesterday too, so it's basically the same thing. What else? It's 8:15 right now, and today, so again, it's finally a week of vlogging, like a complete week. I'm going to end the vlog here. I do apologize if it was a little bit like not all that like wow, because I didn't actually get all my errands done. This week coming, I'm planning to have like a lot more done, so we'll see how that goes. And yes, so bye. Que ya no pienso en otra cosa. Ella es sencilla y parece una diosa. La forma es hermosa.